Attention small business owners. Do you have a great product but your business is not doing so great? You don't have enough leads, you don't have enough sales, and you don't have enough customers for your business. And finally, because of all this, you don't have enough revenues in your business. Does this sound like you? Then I have some good news for you. Hi, I am Dinesh Chandrasekar, co-founder of GrowthPartners, a digital marketing agency in Coimbatore. The last few years, we have helped hundreds of businesses to generate thousands of leads for their business. Recently, we decided to help a lot of small business owners to grow their business and have a positive impact on their business using the power of digital marketing. So what we have done, we have put together a 4-week online workshop. It's not a course or a webinar, it's a 4-week online practical workshop where we help you get your marketing strategy fixed, generate hundreds of leads for your business using the power of Facebook and Google Ads, and get started with digital marketing even if you have zero technical knowledge or a low budget. Interested? Comment links below.